Here I have SONY Xperia Pro-I, and today I'm going to show you how to block number on this device. So first let's open the phone application, then tap here, go to its settings, and then go to the block numbers. You can block numbers that are not in contacts, you can block private numbers or unknown numbers, then tap, or you can just block any number by tapping add a number. Here, enter manually which number is bothering you, tap block, and this number will never reach you again. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.